विजयोत्सव मामकाः पाण्डवाश्चैव किमकुर्वत Sanjaya. In the field of dharma, in the field of Kurus, assembled to fight, O Sanjay, what did my sons and the Pandavas do? This is the question of blind King Dhritarashtra. He is sitting in Hastinapur and he is asking questions on what is happening in the battlefield of Kurukshetra. My dear friends, let us enter in understanding into the mystery of this verse. This is the first verse of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Life is a series of struggle, and the world is a vast battlefield. There is no alive person or even animal or bird or worm in the world who is not fighting. Whenever you are involved in action, whenever you are engaged in action with full enthusiasm, performing your best duties and responsibilities, you are indeed engaged in a great fight. A ferocious battle you are engaged in. You are engaged in Dharma Yuddha. Okay? Death only means when you cease to fight. Now look into the world. Materialists are fighting with the religious people. Religious people are fighting unrighteousness within or unrighteous power outside as Naxals and Communists. Christians are fighting with Muslims and Muslims are fighting with every single fellow on the earth outside their faith is express command of their so-called God, Allah. Christians and Muslims are fighting with the Hindus, Buddhists, primitive tribes. Converting others is also a way of fighting to destroy them, devour them, digest them. It is not winning soul for Christ, but destroying originality, simplicity of their soul and demonizing them. But they are doing it and they are fighting for it. All are fighting, struggling to obtain wealth, power, domination, possession. As soon as your fortune rises, you become wise. You fight for enlightenment. You fight for samadhi. You fight for God realization. Yes, that's also fighting. But very subtle, very blissful fighting. So wise ones are fighting the hardest battle where enemies are invisible, because they are your long nurtured lust, anger, greed and all lower pulls of nature. They are 100 brothers and 80 Nakshavani armies. Okay? They are hidden right in your own mind. Imagine how tough such battles could be. The manliness of humans is in fighting the battle of life successfully. So long you will go on birthing and dying and suffering in about 8,400,000 life forms, as long as thickness of your brain is not melted away, as long as your brain is not refined into being talented and capable of fighting the ultimate battle for enlightenment, battle for moksha. At times, out of misunderstanding or confusion, or being fooled by wrong association or ignorance, you fall prey to inactivity or laziness or craziness or overdose of drugs or drinks or misguidance or weakness. You happen to drop your winning contest, then the ultimate intimate friend, the cosmic beloved, comes to every individual assuming the form of a smiling, singing, happy friend who is no other than your own Vivek, your Prajna, your inner voice, your Jameer, your inner Insaniyat, resounding the song of illumination is the message of do or die spirit, acting, expecting nothing spirit, doing nothing, just existing spirit. The cosmic Virat appeared assuming the form of Sri Krishna before Prince Arjun when he became deadly despondent in the battlefield of Kurukshetra. He appeared before him. There he transmitted a heavy-duty Shaktipat, singing the song of enlightenment, now known as Gita. Its full name is Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Gita is a heavy dose Shaktipat done by macrocosm to microcosm, to the individual soul by the cosmic Virat, to the darkness of confusion, chaos, disturbance by blazing fire of energy, intelligence and enthusiasm, empowering you to win the battle of life once forever. Anyone who understands this Gita, his or her illusion is shattered forever. It becomes all conqueror. He or she attains all worth attaining. He is known to all worth understanding in the whole world. Next meeting we will be enlightening you into who Arjuna was, his race, his brothers, his way of fighting, his whole life, and also his relation with Sri Krishna. That and many more we will be describing in our next session. Thank you very much.